Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Rini Gupta, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Our lead story is about Meta unveils advanced AI smart glasses to redefine wearables. PayPal and Google have entered a strategic partnership to integrate AI across PayPal's platforms, aiming to enhance payments, fraud prevention, and productivity. Leveraging Google Cloud's Vertex AI, PayPal will build custom ML models to boost fraud detection and deliver personalized user experiences. Duet AI, embedded in Google Workspace, will support employee collaboration and workflows. PayPal CTO Srini Venkatesan highlighted faster innovation for smarter, secure transactions, while Google Cloud CEO Thomas Kurian emphasized fintech's growing reliance on generative AI to drive digital transformation. Apple has rolled out a new hypertension notifications feature for Apple Watch using heart sensor data and a new algorithm without requiring new hardware. Available for users 22 plus who are not pregnant or diagnosed with hypertension, it analyzes 30 days of heart data to detect potential signs. If flagged, users are prompted to log blood pressure via a third party device over 7 days, with reminders for morning and evening checks. Apple emphasizes the feature isn't diagnostic but aims to encourage proactive monitoring and medical consultation. Mumbai and Delhi-based Oriserve (ORI) is transforming enterprise communications through its AI-driven voice platform tailored for BFSI. Having powered over 1.2 billion conversations, ORI delivers human-like multilingual interactions that reduce cost to serve by 30% while enhancing inclusivity across India's linguistic landscape. Its proprietary AI stack enables revenue-critical operations like lead qualification, collections, renewals, and cross-sell, driving measurable ROI with 10-15% improvements in outcomes. With a 90% pilot to deployment success rate, Ori positions itself as a strategic partner, helping BFSI institutions balance compliance, growth, and customer loyalty. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang expressed disappointment over China's reported halt on purchases of its RTX Pro 6000D chips, noting the company remains supportive of Chinese partners. Despite initial interest, demand in China was limited and major tech firms avoided the chip. The ban, linked to antitrust concerns around NVIDIA's H20 chip, comes amid strained US-China trade talks. NVIDIA's stock dropped 2.6% on Wall Street. Huang, currently in London during President Trump's visit, is set to discuss the issue as NVIDIA supplies chips for the UK's Stargate AI project. CrowdStrike unveiled Threat AI, the first agentic threat intelligence system designed to automate complex cybersecurity workflows and accelerate response. Part of its agentic security workforce, Threat AI deploys mission-ready agents that proactively hunt threats, analyze malware, and provide actionable insights across the kill chain. Initial agents include a malware analysis agent for rapid file analysis and a hunt agent for continuous threat detection. CrowdStrike also introduced a Chrome extension delivering real-time adversary intelligence, enabling analysts to streamline investigations and respond faster to emerging cyber threats. Pocket FM, the world's largest audio series platform, has launched its AI Creator Suite in India, enabling writers to transform text into fully produced audio series within minutes. Built with 11 labs, the tool delivers high-quality voices across genres, reducing production time by 10x. Over 30,000 series have already been created, with writers earning up to 10 lakh annually. By empowering both professional and aspiring creators, Pocket FM is building a new writer economy and plans to add 200,000 AI-driven audio series in multiple Indian languages. Today's AI tool is Any.do, AI-powered productivity tool. Any.do is a popular AI-driven productivity and task management tool designed to help users organize their personal and professional lives efficiently. It combines to-do lists, reminders, calendars, and task planning into a single intuitive platform. Powered by AI, Any.do offers smart suggestions, auto-scheduling, and personalized reminders to optimize time management. It integrates seamlessly with tools like Google Calendar, Outlook, Slack, and WhatsApp, ensuring smooth workflows across devices. With features like voice, our lead story is about MediaTek Dimensity 9500 to launch with TSMC's 2 and Tech on September 22, 2025. MediaTek announced that its next-gen flagship chipset, the Dimensity 9500, will launch on September 22, 2025. It's the company's company's first chip designed and tested using TSMC's ADVA. Our lead story is about Meta unveils advanced AI smart glasses to redefine wearables. Meta has expanded its AI-powered smart glasses lineup with the launch of Ray-Ban Display, featuring built-in screens for messages and photos and neural bands for gesture control, priced at $790. CEO Mark Zuckerberg positioned the glasses as a step toward replacing smartphones and advancing the metaverse vision. Despite Reality Labs' 4.5B quarterly losses, Meta sees AI glasses as a long-term play. Alongside Ray-Ban Meta and Oakley Meta Vanguard $379,499, the company aims to dominate the growing 8.26B global smart glasses market by 2030. NC 2nm N2P process with mass production expected by late 2026. The SoC features a 1 plus 3 plus 4 CPU layout with a Travis core at 4.21 GHz, Mali G1 Ultra MC12 GPU, 16MB L3 cache, 100 TOPS AI, and support for LPDDR5X and UFS 4.1. Devices like Oppo Find X9 and Vivo X300 series are expected to be early adopters. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Rini Gupta signing off from IT Voice. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow.